Are you totally tired of your TV audio cutting out right when the best action scene starts? Or maybe you spend way more time searching for a good movie than actually watching one? You are definitely not alone. The brand new Apple TV update is finally here to fix all of those annoying problems. We just got the massive tvOS 26.4 update. This brings some very big changes straight to your living room. It prepares your device for a much smarter future. It makes your entire watching experience smoother, faster, and simply better. Let us dive right into what makes this exact update so incredibly important for your home theater. First things first, Apple is finally cleaning up the home screen clutter. For many years, we had the separate iTunes Movies and iTunes TV Shows apps sitting there. They were basically leftovers from the old days of digital downloads. Most people simply do not use them anymore. In this brand new update, those old apps are completely gone. They are actually deleted right off your device. You might even see a blank space in your app folders right now. This is honestly a very good thing. Now, everything lives in one simple, easy place. You go straight to the main Apple TV app to buy, rent, or watch anything. It is clean. It is modern. It completely stops all the confusion. Next, let us talk about a huge fix for your sound. Many users have expensive soundbars or high-end receivers. But there was a very annoying problem ruining movie nights. Sometimes the audio would just cut off randomly. You might hear a really loud pop sound. This happened especially with Sonos bars or Atmos content. This usually happened when switching from a basic menu to a full movie. Apple has finally fixed this massive headache. They added a brand new setting called Persistent HDMI Audio Connection. It uses something called Dolby Atmos to send a constant signal directly to your speakers. Your speakers basically never go to sleep now. This means absolutely no more pops. It means no more dropped audio right at the start. Your favorite movies will sound completely perfect from the very first second. Apple also fixed a huge bug for music lovers. That incredibly annoying spatial audio glitch that cut off the first second of your favorite songs is now completely gone. Now, the absolute most exciting part of this update is how it helps you find new things to watch. Say a big hello to Genius Browse. Apple is bringing this extremely smart feature straight to your big TV. You will now start seeing mood-based categories instead of those boring old genres. You might see a category called Date Night. You might see one called Clever Capers. The smart system actually learns exactly what you like. It builds special watch lists just for you. If you click a category and swipe down, it unlocks a never-ending map of related movies. You can easily filter by your favorite actors or directors. It pulls amazing shows from almost all your favorite streaming apps into one single place. There is also a really cool hidden feature. If you long press a show in your Up Next list and select Browse Continue Watching, you get a full grid of everything you are currently watching. It is incredibly handy and saves so much time. So, what is exactly next for Apple TV? Why did all of this take so long to arrive? The main answer is Apple Intelligence. Apple clearly wants Siri to be much smarter. Imagine asking Siri to quickly find a movie where the main character wears a red hat in London. Soon, Siri will actually know exactly what you mean. To run all this heavy AI stuff, rumors say a brand new Apple TV 4K is coming in late 2026. It might use the incredibly powerful A17 Pro or A18 chip inside. It might even cost under $100 just to compete with Roku and the Fire Stick. We might even get a brand new remote with a built-in speaker. You will never lose it in the couch cushions again. In my honest opinion, this new update makes the Apple TV 4K the absolute best streaming box on the entire market right now. It clearly shows Apple is highly committed to premium quality. They are actually listening to real home theater fans. The audio fixes alone make this update completely worth it. It truly turns your whole setup into a flawless, high-end experience. It perfectly prepares your smart home for all the big AI changes coming next year. If you found this video helpful and liked the content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. Also, hit that bell icon so you never miss another big tech update. Thank you so much for watching.